Hi, my name is Priyankush Kumar, and today I will speak about the week 6 notes. In the week 6 notes, there are environmental criminology. It examines the relationship between the physical spaces and crime. So, the criminals most of the time know about the spaces where they need to do the crime and where they can escape. So they most of the time do the crime where on the places where they are familiar with. Though they in this environmental criminology theory, there are three different parts: the physical design of places, the build environment, and the legal and social institutions. So and after that I will speak about the routine activity theory. It argues that the changes in social and economical conditions influence the change in crime. If the person just change their social group and their economical situations change, then they are most likely to involve in the crime, because the society and economical conditions in fact their behavior, and they get to involve in the crime. Changes in the crime trend associated with the change in the routine activities. It also play a role between the space and the time. It was traditionally used to explain the break, enter, and physical assault in this crime. So now I will speak about the three elements. The first of all, there is a motivated offender who in the motivated offender, like the in this theory, there are most of the people who are capable of doing different kind of crimes. As we see in the society, the people who do most of the hard work, they are more capable of doing crimes. And so they do the crime which is influenced by the motivated offender. So after that, they most of the time choose the suitable target person that is vulnerable, person that is a has a vulnerable values. They always choose the suitable target. The criminals always demand the money from the rich people, so they are their suitable targets because they will get them huge money. And most of the times, the businessmen will not go to the police. It also happens because of the absence of the capable guardian. If a criminal doesn't have any background or family and doesn't have love or doesn't have feelings with their families, they will do the crime. And if there is no one to stop, then it is most likely of him most likely chances of him to do the crime. Now after that, we will study the geometric theory. Explains the how the crime pattern basis of geographical dimension of human activity patterns. um, Geometrical theory is directly related to the places and all that kind of stuffs, like it is related to the maths or that kind of stuff, where the person feels sense of place and feels comfortable, they tend to do the crime. If the law system is not that strong, the person will do the crime. If the community if the corporations and governments are supporting them with the huge money, then they are tend to do the crime. It also examines the dramatical changing in environmental back both. So now I will explain the four elements of the city which are included in the geometrical theory of the crime. The first of all, there is nodes, districts, and paths and edges. There are four kind of things that are included in the geometrical theory. The first of all, the nodes. Nodes uh, the nodes meaning is the location. These are the keys. There are key locations where individuals spend their time, such as home, work, and leisure time. Criminals also have their own nodes where they plan or seek opportunities. These can be in the garages or specific places where criminals or gang members meet and they discuss about the crime. uh, or all that kind of stuff. After that, there's path is directly related to the routes. They choose familiar routes there where they have better knowledge, like if there will not be any police on there, and not there are not any people there where they will interfere in their crimes. After that, there are edges means these are boundaries. Boundaries are the different social and physical spaces, such as border, residential and commercial areas where crime often occur. These kind of where crime most of the time occur. I'm going to take the example of special I'm going to take the example of any kind of industry. In the industry edges, people can easily trespass, but they cannot trespass in the in the what can I say, in the in the industries, because there are cameras, but they most of the time plan their crime on the edges. So these areas are most these areas are included in the geometrical theory.